All right, everyone, in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create, or I'm going to show you how to have Aweber create an email template for you in seconds based on your existing website or your existing Aweber landing page, which you have previously created. So what am I talking about? Okay, so make sure you're in the dashboard, scroll down to Messages, click the down arrow. Takes you to Messages, but that's not what you want. You want to click on Email Template Manager. All right, and once you're at the Email Template Manager, you're going to click on Create a New Template. We're not going to design our own. We're going to use the Aweber Smart Designer. So I'm going to click there. Takes me to this. As you can see, it's going to automatically create a beautiful email template in seconds for you. It is free. Now, if you don't have a website, you can use a public website that has your branding in it, or you can use an Aweber landing page that you've previously created, as I just mentioned a few minutes ago, or a minute ago. Anyways, okay, so let's go over here. This is the website that I'm going to use. Let's click here. It's Yoga Magazine, Control-C to copy, Command-C on a Mac. I don't have any affiliation with this magazine, but we're just pretending for the moment. Now, notice right here, this is one of the images they're going to use. These are some of the images that they use in the templates, or the template that it creates. I just chose this randomly, this website, because I like the colors and the images, etc. And so here it is once again, okay? So here we go back to Aweber. I'm going to put my cursor there, Command Victor on a Mac, Control Victor on a PC to paste the web address in, or the URL, same thing, create my template, and there you go. It has automatically created 7 templates. You can see down here when you click on these different, so this is what one of the templates looks like. Go back to templates. You can look at the second one, just click on it once, scroll up and down, you know, completely different style. You know, all kinds of different styles to choose from. We're going to scoot all the way down to the one on the end. This is the one I want to use. I've already played around with this a bit, so I kind of know what's up. Now, if you'll notice, they use the top picture. They've used it twice. So click here, and it will give you some alternatives. We already used that at the top. That one's at the bottom. So let's click here, use that. I also want to change the color scheme. So you got to click around a little bit. I'm just going to click in the text, and then you can change theme from light to dark and reverse. But I'm going to click the down arrow, and I'm going to go with tropical. Okay. And so you've got the tropical. Looks great. Let's save the template. And this is when you choose which list you want that template to go on or to work with. I'm going to hit backspace here. I'm going to call this Yoga Mag. Just to be safe, I'm going to call it number 4. Okay, so there's no confusion, even though it's my first one. But I've been playing around with it earlier. Okay, so let's import. All right, and there's the template. But before you save it, you may say, you know what? I just don't need this one in the middle. So if you mouse over that and go to the, or click on that image and go to the far right, you'll see here that it's a row. I want to delete the whole row. And then here, I want to do the same thing. This is a row there. I'm going to delete that. And I'm going to delete this row as well. And the row above it, I think I'll just drag in some text. Whoops, it's getting all over the place. Let's make it right there. Put the text, I'm going to make it a header 2. Okay, so, you know, obviously if you want to change the link to this button or change the text on the link there, obviously we've covered all this in other videos that I've done in the basic and the advanced course on using the templates. So once again, if you want to change some text in here, okay, so whatever. So you know how to do it. If you want to switch out an image, you just switch out an image like you normally would. You'd click there and upload or use a new image, whatever. You could do that. You know what? Let's just do that just for the heck of it. Let's go to image gallery. Let's go to stock images. Let's type in, I'm going to type in yoga class and hit search. And there you go. We're going to put this one in. And so that's how easy it is to just modify it. Now, here's the rub, though. We're working in a row, so it says row. You want to go back to message. And you want to save. So we've just modified this template, and we want to save it and make sure as a new template. Okay, let's just save the template. And just to avoid confusion, we're going to call this Yoga Mag 5. Just to make sure we're not, well, that we saved all the work that we just created. Okay, save template. There you go. I'm going to save and exit. Now, when I go to create a new message, and we're going to go to templates, we're going to go to my templates, and there's the Yoga Mag 4 that was created automatically by Aweber. And this is Yoga Mag 5. This is the one that we modified based on the Smart Designer template that Aweber created. So let's click here and click apply. And there you go. So you've got the email based on this. Once again, you can switch out any of the images, change any of the text. You know how to do that already. We've covered that before. Let's just save and exit on that. And then if you want to go and work with your templates, delete some that you know you don't need anymore, like the Yoga Mag 4, number 4. You would just go to Email Template Manager, click there, and delete the ones you don't like. It's as simple as that. Hope you found this helpful. Take care and have a great day.